Hi guys, happy Monday. I almost forgot what day it is, but it's a Monday afternoon here. It's 12:03 in the afternoon to be exact, and I'm dressed because I have a gynecologist appointment today, and my husband is gonna go with me to explain everything that we've been through this last month, because as some of you guys know, I have a problem with my ovaries. They found cyst in my ovaries, so I've been checking that. I've been doing exams, and I might have to do a surgery, but before the surgery I have to do series of exams to make sure before they even start with the surgery. So today I'm gonna meet with my gynecologist again to show her all the exams I did, the results and everything, and if there's more exams to do before we go to the operation day. And then we might have lunch somewhere, just me and my husband. I don't know where, but we will see. My kids just arrived and they're gonna be here with my mom. So yeah, and this shirt, I just want to say thank you to Tia Nelsa. She gave me this shirt. The only problem is this part is broken, but it's okay. I will still wear it for her because she gave it to me, and she's gonna be happy to see me wearing what she gave me, right? And it's a long sleeve. I folded it. There's a button here, so our weather check. It's a beautiful cloudy day, and our Uber is here. It's sunny but windy. Just finished with my gynecologist, guys. It went well. There's nothing much we did. We only talked. She checked everything that I did, the previous exams that I did, and it's all good. Now I'm just waiting for my another exam, and then I'll come back here. Now we're waiting for Uber. We're going to the mall and have lunch there. Yep, seated. This is the lobby, guys. We're now, guys, on the way to the mall. A beautiful day, sunny but cold. Right, baby? We're here at the mall, guys, on our way to the restaurant. It's Monday, but it's full. People are not working. We're gonna eat at Madero Steakhouse. There is this German restaurant, but we prefer Madero.
Aguarda só um momento que o garçom já vem atender.
Obrigada. Menu. Burgers. Meat. Done having lunch, guys, and now we are here at hardware shop. We are here. What are we looking for? A douche. We need to change our douche because it's already dripping. So we're gonna buy a new one, and I think just that, right?
Right.
The douche are here, but there's only metallic colors, and it's not like a complete one. So guys, this is what we got here. We got the douche, a spray, empty one, and 3 adapters. Just that. We are back home, and we have some boxes to unbox. These are the orders I made a few days ago, and hopefully this would be Celine's mask because she already needs it. It's actually over, and today she used the adult mask and it was a bit big and she wasn't happy. So hopefully this is the mask, and the other boxes, let's see what it is. So these are the boxes that we're gonna open. I hope this is Celine's masks. So these 3 arrived today. Let me just open this. It is her mask for kids because Celine cannot wear the adult disposable mask. So I bought her 3 boxes. I think it has designs. We're gonna check that later. Let me just see this one. It's just medicines. Lots of medicine. That's a lot. It's all the same, baby. Yeah. Medicine for my husband. And let's see the mask. Let's see the design. So Celine has 3 colors to choose from. Pink, plain white, and the butterfly one. So cute. And this one is for Shen. Her... What? This is Shen's present, guys. I don't know if I can open it to show you, but I asked for a gift box. Let's see if we can open it or not. So yeah, guys, we cannot open this, but I'm gonna put a picture on this side so you can see what it is. It's just a water bottle. Ooh, it's gonna be nice. So guys, it's late at night, 9:08 in the evening, and we ordered a pizza because my husband has been craving for pizza, and he loves this. Chef, let me turn the camera. He loves this chef's special pizza, and my kids, they only like pepperoni. They don't like this. This is with heart of palm. So let's eat. Ano? Tulog ka na?
Natulog na ako, guys. Bigla nangatok tong anak ko, eh.
Half-half kami.
Guys, nasira yung diet namin. Diba?
Oo nga. Half-half. This is our other cat, Emma. She's not very loving to me. She only loves George. So, see, showing her teeth. But this is Emma. You always see Spook. So, tonight I'm showing you Emma. She's our first cat before even Spook came here. And she's very thin. Unlike Spook, that is taba, Emma is payat. Emma's thin and Spook is fat. Because I like fat cats. But Emma doesn't get fat. So, you have dirt on your eyes, Emma. Oh. Clean it. Tell your dad to clean it. Say hello, Nyam. Show your beautiful face, Nyam. Well, she's busy cleaning herself. But this is Emma. So I'm gonna end this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Bye, guys. Mwah. By the way, you can share it too if you want. It's free. Subscribing is free, so hit that button, guys. Bye.